Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ay, ganja is the life, yeah man. From the hills of Zion, it grows so wild, like wisdom whispered from Jah to the child. Me cut it fresh, still dripping dew. Sacred herb, me know you true. Me light this spliff with holy flame. Me not just smoke, me call your name. Jah plant it fi we, not fi them lab. Me burn it clean, me nah need tab. Each puff a prayer, each drag a psalm. Me soul get still, me mind get calm. The smoke rise up, me spirit ascend. Me reason deep with Jah as me friend. This is me ganja song, me sacred song. Me chant it loud all the day long. Me no hide, me nah feel shame. Me light this fire in Jah name. Ganja psalm, let it roll. Heal me heart, uplift me soul. Babylon try but them can't ban. This herb belong to Jah, not man.
Them call it illegal, them try for shame. But this herb grow before them name. Before the books, before the law. Herb a grow and me ancestors saw. In a Ethiopia or Westmoreland, it rise from the roots of Jah. Ital smoke in a clay chalice. Me sit in silence, me find me bliss. Me no promote for every man, but who know truth, them overstand. It open portals in the mind, reveal the things Babylon hide.
Me see through veil, me sight get clear. Me reason with angels, them draw near. This ain't no joke, no party puff. This is spiritual, deep and rough. Me chant in a grove where the wind a blow. Me feel earth pulse, me feel Jah flow. Them can't touch me in a space. Me soul shielded by Jah grace. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred sound. Me float like leaf, me not touch ground. Me blaze in peace, me chanting calm. Me link with Jah through ganja psalm. Me burn the fear, me rise above. Me full me lungs with sacred love. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi run. The herb and I, we move as one.
Early morning, sun a shine. Me roll a spliff, fi realign. Me sip me roots, me stretch me limb. Me chant a hymn, me mind no dim. Me teach the youth, show them path. Me tell them truth, me speak fi art. Me show them say, use herb wise. Not fi escape but fi realize.
Ganja is key, not tie, not game. Not just high, but higher aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Unlock soul and set it free. Ganja flame, me light with pride. Me walk in truth, me nah go hide. Me live this way, cause me born this way. Me herb, me Bible, me smoke and pray. Jah bless me cup and fill me bowl. Let the herb uplift me soul. Me burn this fire in your name. Me sing me ganja psalm again. say, come you take seat. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This ain't just spliff, it's sacrament. This ain't no high, it's heaven sent. Me close me eyes, me spirit soar. Me see me ancestors open door. Them chant and dance in timeless grace. In Naya Bingi smoke me find me place. Naya Bingi smoke circle blaze and rise. Rasta soul fly to the skies. One draw, one beat, one holy chant. Love and unity all we want. Circle full of truth and flame. We burn Babylon but not with shame. Jah guide we step, Jah hold the space. Smoke of wisdom filled with grace. Me nah need palace, me nah need crown. Me need one rhythm fi hold me down. Me need me crew, me need me herb. Me need some space fi bend Jah word. Inna the circle, me release pain. Me tears drop on the mountain plain. But me brethren hold me, me nah fall. Them say rise up, youth stand tall. Drum beat deep like heart of the earth. Each rhythm a echo of rebirth. Me chant down fear, me chant up peace. In the smoke, me find release. Drum beat talk, fire spark. Wolf now howl when lion bark. We not just smoke, we elevate. We vibrate high, we shift the state. The herbs connect we to Jah mind. Reveal the truth, them try hide behind. Meditation, not just sit. It's fire chant, it's soul commit. Naya Bingi smoke circle pure and wise. Truth in a rhythm, not disguise. We inhale light, exhale stress. We bless the earth, and earth bless. One drum, one draw, one sound unite. We burn in darkness, still shine bright. Gather the brethren, gather the queen. Let the smoke wash we spirit clean. Me float like feather, light and free. Me see the river, run to sea. Me spirit travel back in time to pyramids and ancient sign. Me see Marcus pon the lion throne. Me see Bob singing with tone unknown. Me see the youth rise from despair. Me see the people start to care. Circle na break, we keep it round. Each puff of smoke a sacred sound. Me nah lose self in Babylon's race. Me find me roots, me find me grace. Pass the chalice, pass the flame. We nah smoke fi fortune or fame. We smoke fi connect, fi share, fi heal. Fi turn illusion into real. So next time you feel alone and small, find the drum, answer the call. Circle calling, come take seat. The Naya Bingi rhythm can't be beat.
Oi, 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 Kingston Skunk, smoke ya man.
Me wake up on me earth strand day. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pan roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk Jah way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where I'm real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in me, not from rage, but chant the psalms, me praise Jah loss. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We not need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold Jah love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jah throne. Me soul and the smoke alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earthstone chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Na na na, Rasta man is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds are sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me charge a path like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital vibration, rising on me soul. Me nah bow fi silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital vibration, run through me vein. Wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew on firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give Jah name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Me no envy who a flash champagne. Me sip coconut under the rain. Me reason with elders both overstanding. Me ground myself while Babylon crash landing. Me plant me food and me harvest joy. Me teach me youth them not destroy. Me smoke me weed for clarity mind. Me burn illusion, me seek and find. All is vital, no doubt about that. Me not touch poison from them pot. Me grow me own, me reap me meal. Me live so clean, me spirit heal. Me no need million fi feel success. Me need the rhythm fi ease the stress. Me not in a war, me dey in a peace. Me born Babylon from west to east. Me trod in a silence, me step is loud. Me soul chant louder than the crowd. Me link up nature, me full me cup. Me give Jah thanks when sun come up. Ital vibration, higher than plane. Me ride rhythm like lion mane. Ganja meditation ease the strain. Me chant in a thunder, me sing in a rain. Ital vibration, me armor strong. Me walk through fire with sacred song. No man can stop when truth belong. Me live this liberty all life long. Me wrap me turban, me lock me ear. Me praise Jah everywhere. Me live for Zion, me chant for light. Me blaze me herbs in a full moon night. Me honor me queen, me protect me king. Me listen when I bring a drum them sing. Me live humble, me carry peace. Me know the power of the Rasta speech. Me dep on a mission, not just a vibe. Me build foundation, me build the tribe. Me no sell out for no quick gain. Me hold the line like lion chain. Ital food pamphlet, meditation elevate. No beef, no hate. Me chant love before it's late. Rasta live it in me live true. Me bun lies, me sip dew. In a hills or city view, me Ital life away shine true.
Ay, 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 Rasta VIBES. Inna the truck, yeah, man. Backpack, herb stock, walking through the haze. Me take this road in a mystic blaze. Every step, me chant up psalms. Just on above, the earth stay calm. No GPS, no plan, no guide. Me follow the breeze and me inner vibe. Mountains rise like Zion sign. Me feel the message in a divine. I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim treading slow. Blazing high and thinking low. From concrete jungle to hills afar. Me follow rhythm like a shooting star. Roll up the leaves, give thanks and light. Inna me lungs, the flame ignite. Me see colors no eye can see. Inna smoke, me spirit free.
No police can jail me mind. Me free as breeze, me unconfined. Me born it for peace, not to escape, but for enter higher mental state.
I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim rootsman style. Blazing high and thinking low. From concrete jungle to hills afar. Me follow rhythm like a shooting star. I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim. Whoa. Treading slow, no need for system. Blazing high in sacred time. Yes, me soul aligned, me heart a chime. Me cook a ital in a coconut shell. Me chant a smokes that rise and swell. Drum beat echo from the distant land. Me link up brethren with healing hand. No gold chain, no flashy things. Me wealth is wisdom, not diamond rings. Me house made of bamboo and stone, but me temple is me flesh and bone.
Me nah preach hate, me build and teach. Me smoke and chant like ancient speech. Me live in time, not in race. Me know Jah light in every face. This reggae music heal the soul. Me story deep, me rhythm bold. And even when the Babylon try, me rise again and touch the sky.
I'm on a Dubwise pilgrim rootsman style. Walking long but walking smile. Herb in me chalice, chant in me chest. Me charge a road and me manifest. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Tune forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun. Jack pilgrim in a smoke and sun. Tune forward, always forward. The rhythm never done. Dubwise mission just begun. Na 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 kaya, everywhere I'm on. Whoa, oh. Van start early na the golden dawn. Me boots dusty, me spirit strong. Me leave the town fi find some peace, where the rhythm roam and trouble cease. Backpack with love, smoke and song. Me know me journey will be long, but every mile is meditation. Each tree a sign, each wind vibration. We blaze through sacred lands. No worries, just vibes and hands. From Kingston Street to Negril Sand. We follow the call of Jazz Command. Roots highway we rolling still. Through jungle valley over hill. No map, no stress, no plan to kill. Just pure reggae love and chill.
Me light it up and pass it round. Me mind fly high but me feet stay ground. Me link up elder, him chant a verse about love, unity, breaking curse. Me sip the roots wine, me vision glow. Me eyes see deeper than before. Me overstand this life me trod. It's not just walk, it's walk with God.
Drive slow, feel the bass low. Let Jah guide where we go. Every blaze is praise. Tape every sunset. One more phrase. We blaze through sacred lands with ganja smoke and open hands. From river bend to reggae stand, we carry peace like contraband. Roots highway still we trod. No fear, no chain, just Jah and Rod. Me see the truth in every sod. I know me ride is blessed by God. Me park the van neath mango tree. Birds them sing like harmony. Me cook ital by the waterfall. Me hear creation's ancient call. No noise, no screens, no crowd. Just thunder chanting long and loud. Me sit with trees and reason deep. Me soul no longer just asleep. Me tell me brethren, take your time. Life no race, it full of sign. The herba teacher, the drummer guide. Let spirit lead, not Babylon pride. Me see the youths, them lost in cloud. Feel like sun fame, them chanting loud. But me say slow down, take a breath. Live true before you meet your death. Blaze through sacred lands, yeah. Me and me crew with art in hands. We nah need no fancy brands. Just drum, herb and humble plans. Roots highway, here we stay. Sing till night, chant through day. The journey sweet in every way. Reggae ride, no price to pay. Youth smoke rise like sacred flame. Bench when me vision clear, me soul reclaim. Naturals highway, still me trod. Forever forward, guided by Jah.
Na na na, it's ganja time, yeah man. Early light, me light the fire. Call upon herbs, me soul desire. In the silence of the morning breeze, me find the calm, me spirit at ease. Me no run behind vanity game. Me nah bow down to Babylon name. Me roll it slow, bless it well. Send up smoke like incense spell. Jah guide me, chanting rise. Lift your soul above the lies. Meditation in a mountain high. With Jah guide, me touch the sky. Me sit on the roots of the ancient tree. One puff, two puff, now me free. Me feel the ancestors move through the air. Whispering truths, me always hear. No stress, no rush, no worldly mess. Me wear righteousness like a royal dress. Me not taking propaganda fear. Me blaze it strong and me vision clear. Turn me breath is sacred, me herb is wise. Turn me icy stars beyond the skies. Turn Babylon crumble but Rasta rise. John in a me chest, Jah fire lies. Jah guide me, chanting rise. Lift your soul above the lies. Meditation in a mountain high. With Jah guide, me touch the sky. Jah guide me, chanting rise. Lift your soul above the lies. Meditation in a mountain high. With
Jah guide me touch the sky. This not just ganja, this a sacrament. Healing the heart, the true intent. Me nah abuse it, me use it true. Fi unlock doors, me spirit new. Herb teach patience, herb teach peace. It make the anger and tension cease. Me burn it slow, me sing and float like lions roar and birds note. Me walk barefoot through dusty land. Me greet all with open hand. Me life no flashy, but it full like coconut tree, grounded and whole. No idol, no fame me seek. Me speak for truth, me voice no weak. Each morning herb and chant me tool. Me walk humble, but me rule. Jah guide me, chant and rise. Lift your soul above the lies. Meditation in a mountain high. With Jah guide, me touch the sky. Rise, breathe, chant. Let go, be free.
Na na na, Rasta man smoke chalice. Yeah man. Early morning dew pon me dreadlock tip. Me step through the bush, Jah guide me trip. No map, no watch, no worldly chain. Just I and the falling rain. The breeze whisper ancient truth. Me hear it since me days of youth. No preacher teach me this deep song. It come from inside where I belong. Rasta road, no straight line. Twist and turn ninja design. Smoke the herb, me vision clear. The truth within, me always near. Me light a chalice with reverence true. Each puff open, a higher view. No just for vibes, it's a sacred rite. Me reason with stars deep in the night. Me sight Babylon in every form. But me nah fight, me transform. Me carry peace like lion roar. Me wisdom grow to evermore. Ganja speak through silence and trees. Me learn to listen, not just to please. In every leaf, every wave, every breeze is a message, me soul at ease. Rasta road, no straight line. Twist and turn, ninja design. Smoke the herb, me vision clear. The truth within, me always near. Me sit on the rock near river bend. Me soul feel full, me wounds mend. Me chant soft, me chant deep. Me spirit fly while body sleep. No gold, no jewel, no title big can match the feel when me plant a fig. Me talk to soil, me bless each meal. Me live real, me love real, me heal. Me nah rush, me nah race. Me move in time, me move with grace. Me sight the system, me not attach. Me joy come from urban scratch. Drum and bass, heartbeat sound. Keep me stable, keep me ground. Rasta nah boast, Rasta nah beg. Me stand firm like Zion peg. Rasta road, no straight line. Twist and turn, ninja design. Smoke the herb, me vision clear. The truth within, me always near. And the journey still go on. From sunrise to setting sun. It's not about where you reach, but who you become.
Yeah. My Rasta family smoke and have fun. truth still blaze under them lies. Me walk with drum beat in a me chest. Babylon try but can't arrest. Me nah born fi bow to throne. Me chant from roots, me stand alone. Them self-fearing shiny clothes, but me spirit try the wind that blows. Me say youth, rise up tall. Nah let system make you small. Them train you fi obey, not think. But me teach you how the soul link. Me not trust no fake religion. Jah voice come true, natural vision. Ganja leaf and ancient chant, more real than what them politicians want. We 100 mission, code 420. Fire in vice, truth a plenty. We burn illusion, chant for love. Zion rise up, push and shove. We 100 mission, rebel flow. Roots run deep, Babylon can't know. Me chant from soul in rebel tone. Free your mind, claim your throne. Them build tech fit track we step, but we move in spirit, deeper depth. From inner city to jungle breeze, reggae travel like healing trees. Me nah care for fame or flash. Me lyrics cut like conscious slash. The people wake up when rhythm drop. Truth echo loud, nah ever stop. Me say balance like lion and dove. Rebel with heart, warrior of love. Every verse a step fi rise. Every line like open skies. Dread mission, roll and still. We chant and drum Jah holy will. We not follow, we lead the way. Zion echoes like the day.
Oh, yo, Kingston is in my pocket. Me born pon the night of a blood moon rise, where the owls them talk and the spirit flies. Me mother whisper, you chosen child, so me take the path that rough, not mild. Me carry herbs and chant in me tone, fi cleanse the land where Babylon throne. Me now wear crown, me wear earth and drum. Me voice shake while the system can't numb. Me feel ancestors dancing me feet. Me learn truth not come from no elite. Me listen to the stars and the wind reply. Them say, speak your word, make the wicked cry. She who carry the flame not hide. She walk through fire still strong inside. The lioness chant under blood red sun, till the chains fall off, till the battle done. She who carry the flame still rise, even when system try blind the eyes. We not bow, we not crawl. She chant Babylon till it tumble and fall. Them say, oh man, hush, but me voice like tide. Crash pan wall, them build fi divide. Me chant fi the youth we lost in code. We take back the soul, them try upload. Me not deal in digital spell. Me deal in truth that them can't sell. Me herbs heal wound deeper than skin. Me song call lion soul from within. Me nah read from book them write in fear. Me read the leaf, me read the tear. Me read the silence between each beat, where Babylon tremble but Zion speak. Me say warrior, nah mean rage alone. Me say strength is love, the heart, the bone. Me sing lullaby for the ones in fight. Me voice is sword in a cloak of light. We build altar in forest deep, where spirit watch and ancestors weep. Me nah just rebuild, me reflection clear. Of all them try silence through Babylon fear. Me remember the cries from old maroon, echo still dance under mango moon. Them try race but me memory sharp like drum beating truth from arc to arc. Me raise me hand, me raise me sound till them illusion tumble to ground. Me nah shout lies from stage or throne, me whisper power from roots alone. Them sell freedom with chain pan hand, but me walk free pan sacred land. Me nah take side in their parade, me take side where spirit truth invade. She who carry the flame not tire, even when them flood, she bring fire. The lioness roar come soft and deep, and still it wake the world from sleep. She who carry the flame still blaze, walk through shadow, rewrite the phrase. Not for fame but for love and right. Her chant go forward through endless nights. So if you're lost in eyes and scheme, close your eye, walk in your dream. Listen deep, you will hear her tone, calling truth from flesh and bone. She not come with bullet or blade, she come with song that can't fade. She who carry the flame walk slow, but every step make the system know. Zion rise through her word and will, and Babylon tremble silent and still, yeah.
Herb of Zion, just sacred gift. Herb make the spirit rise and lift. Them try feed on it, but just say no. Herb of Zion make the blessings flow. The chalice plays high, the Rasta them sing. Herb vibration make the joy it bring. Them can't stop your works, the herb prevail. Herb make the humble tell the holy fail. From the riverbed to the mountain peak, herb make the truth that the soul them see. Plant the seed, let your wisdom grow. Through the herb, the righteous know. Every leaf divine, every root so strong. Herb of Zion guide the journey long. Herb of Zion, the truth unfold. Sacred flame in the chalice hold. From the ghetto street to the Zion heights, herb of Zion bring your light. Them call it illegal, them try to destroy, but your herb make the Rasta man enjoy. Every draw a prayer, every puff a psalm. Herb make the fire bring Jah calm. Babylon tremble when the herb rise up. Herb make the Rasta drink Jah cup. Through the darkest night, the herb blaze high. Herb make the spirit reach Jah sky. Circle the fire, chant Jah song. Herb make the weak man strong. The flame burn bright, the truth them feel.
Zion roots. Me rise at dawn, the world has spin round, but me heart beats strong to a deeper sound. In the silence, me feel the cry of the souls who's dreaming, reaching for the sky. Them try fi hold we, them try fi keep we down, but the power of love, it spreads all around. Me see the fire, me feel the flame, me see the people no longer playing the same game. The struggle are real, but the truth are clear. Jaja's voice, me hear it near. The echoes of freedom, I call me name. Me rise, me stand, me claim the same. Echoes of freedom, hear the sound. The voice of the people all around. From the mountains high to the rivers deep, we rise as one, no time for sleep. Echoes of freedom, feel the fire. The hearts are burning, the soul's desire. No more chains, no more pain. We rise above, we break the chain. The world had changed, but the fight's not done. The people rise up, now it's begun. Me see the power in the hands of we. We know go bold, me see the victory. The walls are crumble, Babylon fall. We stand as giants, we stand tall. The youth arise, the elders too. We unite as one, we make the move. Me hear the voices, me hear the cries of the ones who no longer live in lies. We take the truth, we take the light. We stand as soldiers ready for the fight. Echoes of freedom, hear the sound. The voice of the people all around. From the mountains high to the rivers deep, we rise as one, no time for sleep. Echoes of freedom, feel the fire. The hearts are burning, the soul's desire. No more chains, no more pain. We rise above, we break the chain. Me feel the power, me feel the might. The strength of the people, we ready to fight. The echoes of freedom are ringing the air. We stand together, we show the care. Me see the future, me see the way. Me see the change, it's here today. We no afraid, we no go stray. In Jah's name, we find a way. Me chant the anthem, me chant the prayer. Jah's power, we feel it there. The world I tremble, but we know. But plant a seed where concrete grow. Between the cracks where truth still flow. Them say me mad, them say me stray, but me chant Babylon fears away. Me come from dirt, not silicon dream, where the elders reason, not just stream. Them teach me love, them teach me fight. To stand up strong in darkest night. Me walk through streets where sirens scream, but my mind stays still in righteous dream. Me now wear chain for social rank. My soul no deposit in a them bank. We nah need crown fi feel like king. Me hold my power in every hymn. Me see the puppet, me see the strings. Them bow to wealth but me rise and sing. Me chant for youth who can't afford. Them born with fire but system bored. Me give them roots, me give them wings. Me teach them truth, not bling bling things. Me a rebel seed, me grow in storm. My spirit wild, my heart stay warm. Babylon try but them can't erase the ancient code in Rasta face. Me a rebel seed, me rise and grow. From silent cry to thunder blow. Them build them world and greed and speed, but just still water the rebel seed. Them try to sell we culture back. Dress up truth in brand and track, but me know Zion from the core. And me spirit sell out nevermore. Me see the youth with glassy eye. Me
but still inside a lion remain. Me write my song in ancient tone. My voice a weapon, my word a stone. Each lyric carved in sacrifice. Me pay the cost, me nah roll dice. Them want me fear, but me nah shake. My soul secure, my spirit wake. Them pass me paper fi silent me, but my voice roar like African sea. Me a rebel seed, me grow in storm. My spirit wild, my heart stay warm. Babylon try, but them can't erase the ancient code in RASTA VIBES. Me a rebel seed, me rise and grow. From silent cry to thunder blow. Them build them world on greed and speed, but just still water the rebel seed. So if you're lost and don't belong, come find your path in rebel song. We light the fire with every verse, a healing hymn for Jah universe. Me nah retreat when system rage. Ay ay ay, Rasta man so high. Ooh yeah, yeah. Yeah man, give me the sockets. Early in the morning, sun a shine bright. Grab me chalice, start me day right. Breathe in the love, exhale the pain. Herb of Jah brings sunshine for rain. On the hills where the Rasta trod, chant Jah psalms, give thanks to God. The breeze whisper sweet, the sky are blue. Every puff remind me what is true. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. Me rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high. Like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. From the streets of Kingston to Cali breeze. Herb I travel like waves in the seas. Purple haze, our OG gold. The message in the smoke, our story told. Babylon system, them full of greed. But Jah herb make the mind feel freed. We chant for the youth, for the next generation. The herb is love, not just recreation. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. Me rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high. Like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. We chant down Babylon, smoke the fire. Burn negativity, rise up higher. From Kingston streets to Cali breeze. The herb unite, we set we free. Green blessings, them flow through my veins. Jah herb wash away all the pain. Forever grateful, Jah light to shine. Green blessings, divine and kind.
Zion echo, ay, 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 it's a time. Yeah man. Inna the dance hall, the rhythm play. Rasta vibes, light up the way. Ganja smoke curl, rise to the sky. Lift with spirits, jazz love can't die. Them call it Kaya or OG Kush.
With every puff, the worries get bush. The drum beat strong, me heart a feel. One love chant, Jah make it real. Me say, Rasta man chant Jah psalms. Inna the herb, we find Jah calm. Roll it tight, make the flame ignite. Jah vibes keep the darkness light. One love chant, make the people unite. Under Jah stars, the future bright. Herb a the key, herb a the guide. One love chant, Jah live inside. The lion roar, the herb make we brave. Jah's wisdom lead we from the grave. The youth them rise, the elder teach. The power of Jah, we can impeach. Herb for the healing, herb for the soul. Babylon tumble, Jah's truth unfold. With every puff, we elevate. One love chant, fi seal we fate. Me say, Rasta man chant Jah psalms. Inna the herb, we find Jah calm. Roll it tight, make the flame ignite. Jah vibes keep the darkness light. One love chant, make the people unite. Under Jah stars, the future bright. Herb a the key, herb a the guide. One love chant, Jah live inside. Them can divide the love we share. Jah presence strong, it's everywhere. With the herb, me chant Jah name. One love chant, fi break the chain. One love chant, Jah guide the way. Forever light up, Jah holy ray. With the rhythm and the herb combine. One love chant, we feel divine. Holy ray, with the rhythm and the herb combine. One love chant, we feel divine. One love chant, Jah guide the way. Forever light up.
Zion roots. In the land where the sun never sets, so find me roots, me never forget. The earth a cry, but Jah's light shine. We walk as one in a Jah's divine. Me see the chains, me see the walls. Me hear the people, me hear the calls. We rise together, we break the night. Me feel the fire, me feel the light. Them try to trap us, them try to bind, but the power of Jah is in a me mind. We are the children of the highest King. In the kingdom of freedom, let us sing. We rise in the kingdom of the free. No chains, no bounds. We let the spirit be from the hills to the valleys. The fire I burn in Jah's name. We
kingdom of the free, it's calling we. A land of peace, a land of unity. We walk the path of righteousness. Jaja's love, it's limitless. Me feel the power in my soul. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the whole. Me see the future, me see the light. In Jazz kingdom, me stand for the right. No more Babylon, no more lies. The people arise, the spirits are fly. Me hear the echo of the mighty roar. We rise up, we open the door. Me see the future, me see the dream. A world united where love's supreme. No more struggle, no more pain. In Jazz kingdom.
Zion roots. We rise before dawn, me spirit alert. Feel the wind shift me barefoot in dirt. The ancestors whisper through the trees. Keep the fire lit, never bow to disease. Me not talk about sickness in the skin, but the plague of mind, them pushing in. Them flood we heads with empty sound. Try drown we soul and keep we bound. But me eyes sharp like eagle in flight. Me see the truth, them hide from sight. While them distract with shiny gold. Me hold the scroll that the elders hold. Me walk with knowledge from ancient flame. Before them rewrite the holy name. Me reason deep with stars and drum. Me know the watchers and why them come. The watchers of the gate, we standing tall. While Babylon build, we ready fi fall. Eyes open wide, heart pure like spring. We chant down system, we nah bow king. The watchers of the gate, guardians of soul. We write the future, we nah lose control. Me see soldiers dressed in corporate suit. Smile sweet while them dig the root. Them poison sky, them choke the sea. Still me chant with fire, me spirit free. Them sell salvation in plastic form, but me trust Jah voice in thunderstorm. Them teach me history start with chain, but me bloodline rise from royal reign. Me spirit carved from sacred stone. Me soul older than Babylon throne. Me not confused by artificial light. Me see them even in darkest night. Them try erase what me ancestors write, but every verse me spit a carry that might. Me not fear tech, but me stay wise. Me balance me mind neath ancient skies. The watchers of the gate, we standing tall. While Babylon build, we ready fi fall. Eyes open wide, heart pure like spring. We chant down system, we nah bow king. The watchers of the gate, guardians of soul. We write the future, we nah lose control. We hear the call from mountain peak. Jah message loud, but them act weak. Them laugh at roots, but roots still grow. Them build glass towers, but earth still know. We hold the code in sacred tongue. We chant from heart, we never.
Aye, 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 aye. Zion. Roll the spliff, ya man. Them build high wall, but shoot still climb. Them control clock, but them not own time. Me spirit older than them flag and law. Me come from stardust, now bow too flaw. We walk among robots and soulless drone. Plugged in mind but heart made of stone. But inna the jungle, still beat the drum. Roots man still chant where the fire come from. Them put chip in phone and fear in eye dreams. But me chant louder than them regime. Me say knowledge is weapon, so load it wise. Fire in a word make empire capsize. Babylon we not obey. lawlessness grow. Them can't stop what your people know. Babylon you can't control. We still dance though you tax the soul. One love, one fire, one aim. The truth run while it can't be tame. Them say sit down, parent be tame. But we born like lion, now play that game. Them give pills fee, hush we pain. But we chant with shooting, sun and rain. Me say plantation, dress up new. Them call it job but chain still glue. Still slave your time fee, the master plan. But me time is mine me, sovereign man. So me wake the youth with ancient sound. Fi make the chains them hit the ground. Me chanting rhythm, cipher and vibe. Me sing for every soul in this silent tribe. Me not blind by glitter and gold. Me follow wisdom of the old. Ancestor whisper hold your ground. Even when system a hunt you down. From Ethiopia to Kingston Street, Jah prophecy can't face defeat. So me plant seed in tune and verse. Fi break the modern Babylon curse. Me cite them poison in food and sky. Them call it science, me call it lie. Them test with faith with fear campaign. But me love grow like healing rain. Them own the media, own the news. But them can't own roots and shoes. Me walk barefoot on sacred land. The power in chant not in them brand. Me say rise up youth, read your soul. You're more than profile, more than role. Your spirit divine, yo heart of flame. Them can't erase your sacred name. Babylon we not obey. We voice louder every day. We not sign contract with devil code. We ride fit on the righteous road. Babylon your tricks fall flat. We too wise fi live like that. Zion echoes from hills and stream. We not sleep walk through them dream. So light up herbs and free your mind. We not come fi war but truth is kind. The fire in we eyes them can't erase. We carry Zion in a every base.
Zion roots.
In the silence, me hear the roar. The Lion of Judah, the spirit soar. Me rise from the depths, me rise from the dust. In Jah name, we build the trust. Them system try to chain we down, but we stand tall, we own the crown. The truth arise, the lies a fall. Jah's light shine through the darkened hall. We walk the path in our just grace. We no afraid, we face the race. No chains can hold the righteous man. We rise again, we take the stand. Echoes of the lion's roar. We rise as one forevermore. In Jah's name, we fight the fight. Together we stand, we bring the light. Echoes of the lion's roar. We break the chains, we soar and soar. In the name of Jah, we take the lead. The lion's roar, awake the seed. Me feel the tremor of the earth beneath. Me hear the cries, me feel the grief. But in the heart, we know the truth. The lion's power, the lion's youth. The Babylon system, it crumble and fall. But we rise as one, we answer the call. Me see the people, me see the flame. Together we rise, we call the name. No more divisions, no more pain. We rise again, we break the chain. In the hearts of the children, the fire burn. We stand together, we wait our turn. Echoes of the lion's roar. We rise as one forevermore. In Jah's name, we fight the fight.
soar in the name of Jah. We take the lead. The lions roar, awake the seed. Me hear the drum, me hear the chant. We rise as one, no time to pant. The lions roar, I shake the ground. In Jah's name, we stand our ground. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Warriors of Jah, we no retreat. The lion's power, the lion's call. Together we stand, we break the wall. Echoes of the lion's roar.